So I'm in this year was in database. So we are going to see the video how I implemented the persistent storage with SQLite persistent using flutter. The aim of this explain is to describe the mobile applications that demonstrate persistence data storage using SQLite so that the data remains available even after the app is closed or restarted. So persistent storage means storing the data permanently on a mobile device. In Flutter, this can be achieved using SQLite plugin, which allows us to interact within the SQL database. So SQLite is a lightweight serverless and stores the entire database in a single file. For example, photos.db in this project. So in this experiment, I created a product inventory tracker application. The goal is to help the small shop keep track of products, their quality and price. So the documents included, which is created a SQLite table called products, which is field which includes the ID name, quantity and price. So it's allow the user to enter the product name, quantity and price, and it saves and display the data in the list view. So highlight the products where quantity is less than 5 will show the red, and it will remain as a low stock warning. So first I have the following dependencies on the subscribe YAML, which is SQLite for SQLite operations, and path provided to access the device storage path. Then I created install androidstudio and created AWT, which is Android virtual device, and I created a data model class called product. Create a database helper classes, which is database helper that includes the methods for creating the database and inserting the data during all the pass, deleting or resetting the data. So designing the flutter UI, which I include in the main.dot, which contains input fields and add a product button, a list view to display the store products, a total stock value section at the bottom. So in the product class, I define the structure of each record. In database helper, I handle the root operations using SQL commands. So let's see the output. So on the running app, you can enter the product name, quality and price. It appears in the list below. Products with the quantity is less than 5. It shows marked as red as low stock. At the bottom, the total stock is value is displayed. Even if we close and reopen the app, all the data remains saved, providing the persistent storage which works successfully. So we can successfully design the and implemented Flutter mobile application using SQLite for persistent storage. So this experiment how to integrate local database with Flutter using the SQLite plugin, and it can be extended for real world applications like inventory tracking and expense tracker.